Are you using SAP Integrated Business Planning? Are you busy managing your day-to-day supply chain? For most supply chain managers, this makes it really difficult to keep up with the quarterly improvements of SAP IBP. This is unfortunate because the new features can significantly improve the quality of your supply chain processes. That is why I will guide you through some of the IBP features which were improved in the latest 21.11 release of SAP IBP.
Hello, I hope you are having a great day just like I am. I am Jordy and I work as an integrated business planning consultant for McCoy & Partners. Working with several clients, I have noticed how difficult it can really be to keep up with the fast changing landscape of IBP. Nevertheless, these improvements really can give you an edge in your supply chain. Therefore, it is a pleasure to me to share to you some of the improvements of the latest SAP IBP 21.11 release. Firstly, I would like to tell you about a new useful feature that can improve your demand forecast. With the new 21.11 release, we have the ability to do a new variable impact analysis for the gradient boosting algorithm. This new functionality allows you to estimate the impact of several independent variables on your demand forecast. This can enable you to better understand which factors are driving the demand of your products. Let's imagine we are forecasting demand for bottles of liquor. We could define our sales price as an independent variable. The variable impact analysis can then estimate the impact of this variable on your actual future demand. Insights like these can be extremely useful in understanding which factors really drive the demand for your products. Let's have a look at how this works in IBP.
So let's have a look at how this now works in IBP. We are now in the Manage Forecast Models app in Fiori. And we will now create a new gradient boosting of decision trees algorithm. So let's select it from the list. Okay, so now we can see some added functionality on this page. What we can see is the Analyze Impact on Forecast option right here. So we can now tick that box. And then additionally, we can see the independent variables where we can actually select impact key figures for the forecast. So now to demonstrate how this works, we can select the product price as an independent variable. And then we can assign the corresponding impact variable as the product price impact. And once we now run the algorithm, then the demand planners can actually see the impact of the independent variables on your demand in the impact key figure.
Okay, enough about demand planning now. Let's have a look at a new feature that can actually improve your supply planning in IBP. The second feature is location product substitution with the Finite Heuristic. This allows you to reduce wastage in your supply chain through the use up of stocks for a discontinued product. This can help your company to reduce wastage related to product lifecycle processes. To achieve this in IBP, we can define a specific time interval during which no new receipts can be planned for a discontinued product. Only the remaining stocks of this product can be used. Once the stocks of the discontinued product are actually depleted, only then demands will be satisfied by the new product. This principle makes sure that you will not end up with obsolete stocks as a result of a discontinued product. Let's see how this works in IBP.
Now we can actually see the results of the Finite Heuristic on the screen. We can see that we have a stock on hand of 900 in week 49 of 2021. Then of course we first use up the stocks of the discontinued product so that the stock goes down all the way until the stock level reaches 0. Then once the stock level reaches 0, we start satisfying the demand with the new product, the substitute product. This allows us to effectively use up the stocks of the old product in order to prevent wastage in the supply chain.
What I have shown you are just some of the new improvements in the 21.11 release. There are plenty more in this release and plenty more to come in future releases. I challenge you to think about how these improvements can improve the quality of your supply chain planning process.
Thank you for listening in on this IBP 21.11 What's New video. It was a pleasure to present these improvements to you. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more informative videos of how SAP IBP can improve your business processes. Share it or support our channel with a like. Feel free to leave a comment below and don't hesitate to contact us if you are willing to discuss more with us. Thank you.